don't like the lights, but it's camera time. Said take the picture, but you rolled your eyes. Now I'm mortified and still terrorized. Push me behind to get me from my better side. I wanna push you back, but that's all you want. Wanna rub me up, I'm holding.
Hi guys, I just got ready right now and this is the outfit that I'm wearing. So I'm in this place called Gaylord Opryland. It's a resort in Nashville, Tennessee. And I will quickly show you all my makeup breakdowns.
Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. You'll follow me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. Oh, there's more to me. Anywhere I try to be alone, I find you there. I find you there.
So this is the outfit of the day. I wore this blue skirt back in Seattle, if you remember, and as I mentioned, I would wear this again because why not. I paired this with this white top that I got from New Orleans. I showed in my vlog. This skirt is from Amazon. Guys, I came for the gondola ride. I'm excited! I'm supposed to wear these 3D specs. They say that see a snowflake in every point of light. I'm really excited for that. Lot of snowflakes. I wish I could show you. And also I'm wearing my fake lashes. It's a struggle, but it's okay. It's okay, right? It's okay. I'm excited! And this is how it looks like.
My face, turn off the flash. I hate the fame, no more of that. Leave me alone or I'll collapse. I need a break, don't feel the crack. You'll follow me anywhere I try to be alone. I find you there. There's more to me. Everywhere I try to go alone, I find you there. Yeah, yeah. You'll follow me anywhere I try to be.
That's the beautiful view of the atrium. And this is our balcony. Okay guys, time to go to bed.
I find you there. I find you there.